Hey guys, welcome back to Naomi's Fake Cooking Show. Today I'm going to teach you how to make cold bean salad. And over here I have garbanzo beans, 15.5 ounce garbanzo and kidney beans. And then I have pinto and black bean. They are 27 ounces. And then I'm going to already open them and drain them and rinse them really well. And so there's no more bubbles in there. So they look like this. And then over here I have green peas. It's about 1 cup. You could do either canned or frozen, but same thing as corn. I have 1/2 of this corn.
1/2 cup?
Yes, 1/2 cup of this. And then 1 cup of mushroom. And then 3 cup of quinoa. And then 1 teaspoon of cilantro. Fresh cilantro, you could do dry if you want. But I decided to do fresh today, so. And then next we're going to do garlic. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of garlic over here. Let me get this. 1 tablespoon, put it in. And then next, I'm going to do black pepper and salt. For the pepper, I do 4 shakes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for salt.
What kind of salt are you using?
This one I'm using pink. I don't know.
The pink
salt,
Himalayan salt? Okay.
Yeah, you can find it at grocery stores. I'm using 1/2 a teaspoon. You probably need that much. You do not need that much either. Just see that barely had any all the way up. Just like a little bit. You don't want too much. Just spread around. Yeah, I barely need that much, so just like.
To do it to taste.
Yeah, just do it. Taste like maybe 2 pinches at the most. And then next, I have avocado. This is really
large avocado.
So I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to dice it to a square. And then just dice to a nice little square cube. So like this. And then just scoop it up. Sorry, I got the pepper in my mouth. Okay, just scrape this, and then I'm going to take this one out. And then do the same thing this side. After the avocado, I'm going to do 1/2 of the lemon juice in this. If it's really juicy one, you do not want that much. Otherwise, it's really going to be lemony.
So 1/2 a lemon.
Yeah, 1/2 a lemon. So I got 1 avocado in here, and then here's a lemon.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty juicy, so you probably don't want to do the whole half. So. I'm going to take out the seed.
Yeah, I'd like to not chew on those.
Yeah. So it'll be like this.
So.
And then just squeeze it a cup, maybe a 3. This is really juicy lemon, so I don't want too much. So like spread.
So just drizzle some lemon juice over the top.
And then that's about it.
Okay.
And then next, for the dressing, I have over here Brianna. We got it from HEB. You could get not different kind of Italian dressing if you like. So we got this one. So
It's a really good dressing.
Yes. Make sure you shake it if you have this kind. Otherwise, all the
It settles. Yeah.
herbs and then the oils on top. So make sure you shake it. And then we're gonna do this one. Let's see. Just basically spread like 2 circles on this one. So like start from here. So that's 1. And then if you need more, you can add it more, but don't put too much to start with. So next thing, my bowl is really full, so I cannot really stir that well. I could try, but it's gonna make a huge mess. Let's see. So I have all this ingredient, you can see.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're gonna stir. Like I said, if you need more dressing, you can always add some more. And make sure you stir really well, otherwise you have 1 bite of really garlic paste. So if your bowl's too full to stir like this, then you could, let me show you the other way you could do it. You could get 1 bowl like this, another one's like same size, and then you just shake it. And then, so, see now you can see it's mixed really well over here, and nothing got not mixy.
Yep.
You can see a bunch of colors and yeah. And it's really this dish is really nice for hot for summer because it's not hot. It's you can put in the fridge. You can prepare this like at 10 o'clock, and then 1 hour later or 1 hour 30 minutes later you have for lunch. So I hope you guys like this show, and next time we are doing bok choy soup. See you guys next time.